raining outside. Daisy's kind of freaked out. She's run to the solace of her comfort monkey. Get your comfort monkey. Does it make you feel better? Okay. Where do you want to go? You think we should go downstairs? Alright. You lead the way. Where are we going? Oh, look at all that lightning out there. Whoa. Where are we going? Up downstairs? Should we look at the storm real quick? Oh, it's pretty intense. It's a pretty big storm. What do you think? Go downstairs? Comfort monkey is gonna protect us. Okay, let's go. I'm right behind you. Okay.
It's gray instead of a knee and the eye.
We'll be safe down
It
here.
was us. It was about everybody. And that's